Before we start this episode, we wanted to share with you all a sneak peek of next season on board Chuffed, which will be coming very soon.
Let's go. Come.
When they were really little, they got eaten by rats, basically, and the rats bit off their feet. No quieres la veterinaria, huh? Everyone's We were back in Australia to visit my family after 3 long years apart. It was Jim's first time visiting the land down under, and within a day of arriving, he saw a bloody echidna. We're in Australia! It's, as you can see, it's a little bit cold weather, but I'm also not wearing pants, so it's not that cold. I'm wearing a bikini, not just no pants. But yeah, it's been nice, cool, sunny weather, so it's like the perfect temperature. My dad is very proud of his Whitley and couldn't wait to show her off to Jim. My parents live right at the doorstep to the Keppel Island chain, part of the Great Barrier Reef. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's really clear. Look how cool my hat is. I left my hat in the car. Are we going to shore? Looks shallow, eh?
Did you get wet, did you?
It's a bit faster coming down.
You're just rubbing sand right into her little face, isn't she? It's my adopted sister, Lily.
Living a life of luxury. Pardon? Living a life of luxury in your sinking dinghy. She's a real water dog. The reef in this area has some regeneration, but you can see it has suffered from coral bleaching and the negative effects of climate change. We are so lucky to have such beauty so close to us, and it's important to help its preservation by supporting initiatives that help with reef regeneration and other climate action. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to support the protection of these ecosystems, I'll pop some links below. A few days after her swim, Lulu started scratching her ears. She suffers from seasonal allergies and gets regular ear infections, so I took her to the local vet to have a look. I was quickly able to diagnose an overgrowth of yeast when we started her on eardrops right away, which thankfully cleared it up quickly.
What's this? What's this? Oh, I got you to it. Oh, I got you to it. Ready? 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 Go. Woo!
The paperbark forest of Agnes Waters is another great example of Australia's beautiful natural areas.
come.
Hey, little guy.
My mum also took us for a hike at a spot called Turtle Lookout. Let's see if you can guess why it's called that. Well, this is beautiful Farnborough Beach. It's about maybe a 10-minute drive up the beach from where my parents live. You have to kind of come down a sand dune and then up the beach. It's actually like a registered road where it actually has, you know, signs saying speed limits and things like that, which is kind of cool. We're on the never-ending quest to find waves in this region. You don't get a lot of waves here. However, we've been surfing like 2 to 3 times a week, which is pretty cool. Particularly on the longboard. And yeah, as you can see, it's coming into spring. Winter has almost ended, but it's really just not that cold here. So I'm enjoying a little bit of sunshine and still wearing a wetsuit in the water. Still a little chilly, about 19 degrees Celsius, which probably isn't that chilly for a lot of people. But yeah, loving it. With a spot of calm weather, we decided to head out to the Keppel Islands for some fishing. We didn't get any keepers or catch and release. We think.
This guy. Oh,
that's a nice
fish. Yeah, that is way too small. Yeah.
They got to be really big.
Pretty, yeah.
They're beautiful. Is that a red emperor?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Jim.
How much bigger does he
They're yeah, they got to be about this big to keep them.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
Got to be 50 inches.
We let him go. That was a little fella.
You're not careful.
He's back in the ocean.
Fair enough. He ain't going to get off.
A Murray cod, you said?
Maddie.
Maddie cod. He's... Do you kiss it? Is this a little fella?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Anyway.
See you, buddy.
He's alright.
Here.
Oh, triggerfish.
Oh, triggerfish, you see. Ciao, fisho. Down the road, my auntie and uncle have a beautiful permaculture farm called High Valley Dawn. They've been practicing a variety of sustainable farming techniques to do their part for the future of our planet. My nephew really can't get enough of their delicious mardos.
One, two, three.
Dala. Hello. Farming. She's a farming dog. She's a farming dog. I found him.
You got him? Okay, you can try.
So these big white dogs are called Maramas, and they're specially bred to guard sheep. So they're white and fluffy, and they live with the herd, and they basically keep the herd safe from any predators. So they're very good guard dogs, aren't she? Very loyal. And as you can see, they're also very friendly. Our time in Australia was drawing to an end, but we really felt like we got to have a true Aussie experience. Being able to see my family again and being reunited was really so perfect, and we really, really needed it. Next season we'll be starting with a bang. Stay tuned for some teasers, and it'll be coming very soon. Until next time, stay chuffed, everybody.
We are currently being reached. What a mess.